Stade Malini neMamelodi Sundowns bale eBamako. So badlala iCAF Champions League. Remember ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns yakora 3 goals home. So yangale ku return leg. So iStade Malini ke igood kabe ekhaya because kuma group stages ayikho team ekayathatha ama point lapha kuyona.
Yeah.
And zenzekile izinto Al Ahly is out of Champions League. Pyramid is out of Champions League. So this is the biggest teams nje asele yona is Tunisia then bese kuba iMamelodi Sundowns. So iMamelodi Sundowns mina ngasho nje they have like 80% chances to win iCAF Champions League because once they win this game if they qualify they play against AS Tunis. So AS Tunis because of Cardoso. So Cardoso he will help his players to overcome Lokonde because last season iMamelodi Sundowns ayinokhout its parents.
Yeah.
So bafethu sizobuya with iMamelodi Sundowns hopefully they qualify sibude.
Yeah, hayi no, siubongela uMagebhuna. Thumbs up.
Danke sir.